3 is a key, and this is the employee number. Right. Okay, now this is the employee number is a key, and employee details are what? Values. Employee number is a key, and employee details are what? Values. Employee number is a key, and employee details are what? Values. Okay, now I want to know the details of employee 1. I can say employee dictionary of 1. Now, employee number 1, employee name is Naresh and salary is what? 50,000. Employee dictionary, employee number is 2. Suppose I want to know the employee 2 details, then I'll say employee dictionary 2, right? So these are the details of employee 2. I want to know employee 1 salary. So I'll say employee dictionary of 1, employee dictionary 1 of which one? Salary. So one will return one dictionary, and from this dictionary, you are reading the value of which one? Salary. What is the value of salary here? 50,000. I want to find the employee name of 2. So 2 of what is this here? Name, and this will return the name of the second employee. Employee name. Okay, this will return name of the second employee. That is employee name. So that is what here? Employee name. So what is the name of this employee, Suresh? So you can write a dictionary inside a dictionary to represent. This is nothing but a key mapped with one value or multiple values. Multiple values. One key can be mapped with one value, or one key can be mapped with what here? Multiple values. But here is it this key is mapped with one value or multiple values? Multiple. But how you represented that multiple values as one dictionary? How you represented those multiple values as one dictionary? So one is a key and dictionary is a value, and 2 is a key and dictionary is a value, and 3 is a key and dictionary is a value, right? Okay. So, but you can represent multiple values as a dictionary. You can represent multiple values as a dictionary, or you can represent this multiple values as a list also. You can represent this multiple values as a dictionary, or you can represent this multiple values as a list also. You can represent this multiple values as a list. For example, same thing if you see, suppose employee number is a key, employee name is a value, and salary is also what here? Value. List means in the list, from list how you access the values? Using index. From dictionary how you access the values? Using key. From list you access the values using what? Index. But from dictionary you access the values using what? Key. So here employee number is a key, and these are the list of values. Employee number is a key, okay, and this is the name of the employee. This is the name of the employee, and this is salary of the employee. This is a key, and there is a name of the employee, and there is a salary of which one? Employee. Sorry, that is comma, right? So there is a name of the employee, and there is a salary of the employee, right? Comma. Again, comma missing. So name of the employee, and next one is salary, right? Now, if you take this is the employee dictionary, If this is the employee dictionary, but inside this dictionary, is it data is represented as list or not? Yes. It means one key is mapped with one value or more than one value, more than one value, more than one. I want to know the details of employee one. What will I do? Employee dictionary of one. I want to know the salary of employee one. Then what will I do? Employee dictionary of one of one means one is a key, and I should get the employee one. Which one? Salary. This index is what? 0. And this index is what? 1. This index is 0 and this index is what? 1. I should say employee dictionary 1 of 1. What is the salary of employee 1? 50,000. I want to know the name of the second employee. I'll say employee dictionary of employee number 2 and 0. 2 0. 2 is nothing but list or not? Yes. From this list you are reading which value? First value. From this list you are reading which value? First value. And what is the first value? Name. It means inside the dictionary you can represent more than one value as a list. Inside the dictionary you can represent more than one value as a list. Inside the dictionary you can represent more than one value as what? Dictionary. But dictionary is a key based. Dictionary is a key based. But inside this dictionary, if you are representing more than one value is a list. But list is a key based or index based? Index based. Okay, list is an index based. List is what here? Index based. List is an index based. And if you want to read any value from list, you have to use what? Index. If you want to read any value from list, you have to take the help of which one? Index, right? Okay. So this is how you represent. This is nothing but even nested dictionary, or even you can say, how can you configure one key with multiple values, or how to configure, or how to configure one key with what here? Multiple values. How can you configure one key with multiple values? And those multiple values, you represent it as what? List. Or those multiple values, you represent it as what? Dictionary. Those multiple values, you represent it as a key. Or those multiple values, you represent it as what? List. Now, this is how you are trying to write a dictionary inside what? Dictionary. Okay. Now, the question comes here is, what is the difference? This is what is the difference between list, comma, set, and which one? Dictionary. The question comes here is, what is the difference between the list, set, and dictionary? What is the difference between the list, set, and what? Dictionary. So this is the difference. So between the list, set, and one more is which one? Dictionary. What is the difference between the list, set, and dictionary? So here list is what? List is which collection? Sequence. List is a sequence data type, and set is a non-sequence data type. And dictionary is what? Mapping data type. Dictionary is which data type? Mapping data type. So list is a ordered collection. List is a ordered collection, but set is unordered collection. Set is unordered collection, but dictionary is a which collection? Key based collection. List allows what? Duplicates, but set doesn't allow which one? Duplicates. Dictionary allows duplicate values, but doesn't allow Doesn't allow what? Duplicate keys. Doesn't allow duplicate keys. List allows duplicates, duplicate values, duplicate values. Okay, list allows duplicate values, but set doesn't allow duplicate values. Okay, but dictionary allows duplicate values but doesn't allow duplicate keys. Okay, so data is organized. Data is organized. Data is organized. Data is organized in, okay, which order? Sequential, sequential order. Data is organized. Data is organized using a data structure called hashing, and data is organized. Data is organized as a key and value pair. Data is organized as a key and value pair. Okay. And in this case, it allows any type of data. It allows any type of objects or data. It allows any type of objects or data, but it allows only which types? Hashable types or immutable types. Okay. But dictionary, so dictionary allows immutable keys and mutable what? Values. So reading and writing is done using index and what is that? Slicing. But reading and writing is not done. It doesn't support not done, not done. Is not done using indexing and which one? Slicing. So reading and writing is done using which one? Key. So list is created using square brackets. Set is created using curly braces with at least one element should be there. Is created using curly braces with the key and value. Is created using only square brackets. Is created using curly braces. Is created using curly braces, and within curly braces there is a key and values. Within curly braces there is a key and what is that? Values, right? And list type represents list object, and set type represents which object? Set object. And dictionary type represents dictionary object. Okay, right. So these are some of the differences between the list, set, and what is that? Dictionaries, right? Now next one is there is another object is there. What is that object? Is a string object. Now string is also one data type. Yes or no? String is also one data type. String is also one data type. String is also one data type. Okay, now, right. So string is also one sequence data type. I said, what is a string? What is a string? Generally, a string is you'll say string is a collection of, string is a collection of what here? Characters. What is string? A string is a collection of characters. And string is immutable. String is an immutable. String is an immutable sequence of data type. String is an immutable sequence data type. String is not immutable. String is which data type? Immutable sequence data type. Okay, string is a collection of characters and string is an immutable sequence data type. Means after creating string, after creating string, after creating string, we cannot do which one here? Changes. After creating string, we cannot do the changes because is a string is a mutable or immutable? Immutable. And string is a collection of characters. String is a collection of characters. And these characters, string is a collection of characters. And these characters can be, what here? Alphabets, comma, digits or special characters or digits or special characters. Now, string is a collection of characters, and these characters can be alphabets. String is a collection of characters, and these characters can be alphabets, digits, or it can be what here? Special characters. Alphabets, digits, or special characters. The string which contain, which contains alphabets is called alphabetic string. It's called alphabetic string. It is called as alphabetic string. Okay, the string which contains, okay, the string which contain alphabets and digits, is called which string? Alphanumeric string. It is called as which one? Alphanumeric string. The string which consists of alphabets and digits, or the string which contains alphabets and digits, is called alphanumeric string. The string contain only alphabets is called as which string? Alphabetic string. Example is, I'm saying name equal to Naresh. If I'm saying name equal to Naresh, this is which string here? Alphabetic string. This is called as which string here? Alphabetic string. Alphabetic string because it contain only which one? Alphabets. If I'm saying roll number equal to some NIT 123, then I can call this as which string? Alpha numeric string. It is called as alpha numeric string. Alpha numeric string. Okay, already I said in Python, you can represent the string. In Python, string is represented. In Python, string is represented in different ways. String is represented in different ways. First one is within single quotes. Okay, you can represent string within single quotes. You can represent the string within double quotes. You can represent the string within triple quotes. How many ways can you represent the string? 3 ways are there. First one is you can represent the string in Python within single quotes. You can represent the string in Python within double quotes. You can represent the string in Python within what? Triple quotes. So single quotes, double quotes, and one more is which one? Triple quotes. Single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. So you can represent in different ways. In Python, you can represent the string in different ways. Okay. So that is single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Okay, so within single quotes, we can represent, within single quotes, we can represent single line string. Within double quotes also, within double quotes, within double quotes, we can represent what again? Single line string. And within triple quotes, we can represent multi-line string. Within triple quotes, we can represent multi-line string. Within single quotes, we can represent single line string. Within double quotes, we can represent single line string. But within triple quotes, we can represent what here? Multi-line string. Okay, that is what we have seen in the beginning also, how you represent the strings. So S1, within single quotes, I write Naresh. S2, within single quotes, I write what here? Suresh. S3, within triple quotes, I can write. Okay, suppose Guido Van Rossum. So I write this multiple line in which one? Three single quotes. Three single quotes or three double quotes. Okay, I should close here one. Okay, so the value of S1 is only Naresh. The value of S2 is a Suresh. The value of S2 is a Suresh, and the value of S3, obviously S3 here. So what is the value of S3? Guido Van Rossum. Is it one line or multiple lines? Multiple lines. If you want to represent multi-line string, you are representing multi-line string, writing in three single quotes or three double quotes. You are representing multi-line string, writing in three single quotes, or three double quotes. Okay, right? But I said string is a sequence data type. When you're saying it is a sequence data type, what do you have? For example, I'm saying str1. I'm saying str1 equal to which one? Python. str1 equal to Python. So what will happen? There is a memory allocated for str1. And always sequences means in memory how the data will be stored in sequentially. How the memory is allocated in sequentially. So what is the first character here? P. And the next character is Y. And next character is what here? T. And next character is H. And next character is O. And next character is what here? N. So what is the index of this here? 0. This index is 0 and this index is 1. And this is 2, this is 3. And this is 4 and this is what here? 5. And here it starts with -6, -5. Okay, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, and one more is what? -1. If you want to read in backward direction, use which index? Negative index. If you want to read in forward direction, use which index here? Positive. What is the name of this object here? str1. What is the name of this object here? str1. str1 is the name of the object. You are saying str1 of 0. What is the value of str1 of 0? P. And if you are writing str1 of 1, what is the value at str1 of 1? Y. If you are writing str1 of 2, what is the value at str1 of 2? T. If you are writing str1 of 3, and what is the value at str1 of 3 H? And what is the str1 of 4? And the value at str1 of 4 is, what is the value at str1 of 4? O. And what is the value of str1 of 5? N. But this is read in which direction? Forward direction. You're reading in which direction? Forward direction. And if you want to read in backward direction, you can write str1 of -1. This value is N. And str1 of -2. And this value is O. Same like list only. It is same like list only. str1 of -3. And what is the value at -3? H. str1 of -4. And what is the value at -4? T. str1 of -5. And the value at -5 is Y. And str1 of -6. And what is the value at -6 here? P. Now this is reading all the characters in forward direction. Okay, and reading all the characters in which direction? Backward direction. One is in forward direction and one more is in which one? Backward direction. Okay, so string is a sequenced data type. String is a sequenced data type with support indexing and support what? Indexing and what is that another one? Slicing. String is a sequenced data type and this data type support both. Okay, string is a sequenced data type which support two things. Indexing and what is that? Slicing. But using index, you can read how many values? Only one. Using index, you can read how many values? Only one. But using slicing, you can read how many values? More than one. Using index, you can read how many values? Only one. But using slicing, you can read more than one value. Getting on not? Okay? Yes. Suppose, same, whatever you are doing it, but I said no, string is immutable. For example, if I am writing str1 equal to some Python, I said str1 equal to Python. If I am writing str1 of 0, so what is the value at 0 here? P. Can I modify this P to J? Can I modify? Means can I replace this P with a J? No. I cannot replace this P with what here? J. If I'm trying to replace this P with a J, immediately it gives what? Error. Now what is it error here? Type error. And string object does not support which assignment here? Item assignment. So this is a type error and string object does not support item assignment. Because is a string is mutable or immutable? Immutable. String is not mutable, string is immutable, so I cannot replace it. Then how can I modify then? Convert this string. Convert this string into what? List. Convert this string into a list. I'm saying list1 equal to list of str1. So here we converted string into what now? List. Is it list is mutable or immutable? Mutable. So I'm modifying the first one from P to what here? J. I try to modify the first one, list1 of, okay, list1 of 0 equal to which one? J. So there's a first character in the list is replaced. The first character in the list P is replaced with what here? J. So this is having Python, but this is having which one? Jython. Then can you convert this again back to the string or not? Yes. You can convert this again back to the string by doing joining. S1 equal to, I'm trying to join with this string, dot to join. And what is the name of this list? List1. S1 is having which one? Jython. I'll talk about this join again. But just try to understand. So string is a immutable, and you cannot do any changes in the string. If you want to do the changes in the string, you cannot do changes in the string. And if you want to do the changes in the string, you have to convert this string into what? List. You have to convert this string into the list, and you are converting string into the list by using which type? List type. And after converting string to the list, can you do the changes or not? Yes. But you cannot do directly the changes in the list because string is a mutable. After doing the changes again, you convert that. After doing the changes again, you convert that. Which one you are converting again? You are converting again that string into list back into which one? String. But that you are doing it by using a method called which one? Join. Okay. So it supports indexing as well as what? Slicing. The way how you do the indexing and slicing, the way how you do indexing and slicing in what? List. The same indexing and slicing you can do on what? String. Same indexing and slicing you can do on the string. For example, so write a program to count alphabets, write a program to count alphabets, okay, digits, and special, write a program to count alphabets, digits, and special characters in a given string. I want to write a program to count the number of alphabets and digits and special characters in the given input string. Special characters in a given input string. I want to find out that. So first I'm trying to input the string str1 equal to input. Enter any, you are saying enter any string. So first you are trying to read the string. First you are trying to read the string. First you are trying to read what? String. After reading the string, you have to count how many alphabets are there, how many digits are there, and how many special characters are there. I need to declare some variables: alphabet count, digit count, and special character count. So I try to declare how many variables here? 3 variables. One is a alphabet count. First one is alphabet count, and second one is a digit count, and third one is a special character count. And to these 3 variables, I assign how many values? 3 values. What is the first value here? 0. What is the second value here? 0. And what is the third value? 0. Means the alphabet count is 0 and digit count is a 0 and special character count is also 0. What do you have to do? You have to read each time one character. How can you read each time one character? So range of length of string. So you can find the length of any sequence. For example, my string is, assume that my string is AB1 star. What is the length of the string here? 4. Then range of 4 means it will generate how many indexes? 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here I'll check if str1 of I is greater than or equal to capital A and str1 of I is less than or equal to capital Z. Or str1 of I is greater than or equal to small a and str1 okay, str1 of I is okay less than or equal to small z. So we are reading it with the help of what now? Index. We are reading it with the help of what here? Index. Okay. So if it is this, then immediately I'll say alphabet count plus equal to 1. So that is nothing but alphabet count or not? Yes. So that is nothing but alphabet count. Okay, else if str1 of I is str1 of I is greater than or equal to small a, and str1 greater than or equal to small 0, and str1 of I is less than or equal to what here? 9. Then this is which count here? Digit count. So else if else if it is not alphabets and digits, then it is called which characters? Special characters. Then I'll try to print. What is this count here? Alphabet count. So I'll try to print alphabets. Print. What is the next one here? Digit count. Then I'll try to display digit count. Okay. Next, I'll try to print which one? Special character count, and I try to display special character count. So you are trying to read the value of alphabet count, you are trying to read the value of digit count, and you are trying to read the value of which count? Special character count. So the input character is between capital A and Z. If input character is between capital A and Z or small a and Z, then you are incrementing which count here? Alphabet count. If the input character is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 9, then it is which count? Digit count. If it is not alphabet and if it is not a digit, then it is which count here? Special character. Okay, so you are reading, but how you are reading? From the string with the help of index. How you are reading from the string with the help of what? Index. You are reading from the string with the help of what here? Index, right? So I just run this code here. So enter any string. I said here Python 3.10. So how many alphabets are there? 6. And how many digits are there? 3. And how many special characters are there? 1. How many alphabets are there here? 6. How many digits are there here? 3. And how many special characters are there here? 1. Ring on. So this is PYTHON. How many alphabets? 6. And 3 is 1 digit and 1 is 1 digit and 0 is another digit. So how many digits are there here? 3. And how many special characters are there here? 1. Ring or not? Okay. Yes. It's a simple example to know how to read the content of the string. So by using index, we can read in sequential as well as what? Random. By using index, you can read in sequential as well as what? Random. Sequential order as well as random order. Okay, you can read in both the orders, sequential as well as random order. Yes, but you can also read it. You can also read it by giving the string to the for loop. You can also read it by giving the string to what? For loop. Suppose I'm writing str1 equal to which one? Python. And I can read for character in what is that? str1. Can I read each time one character from the string? Yes. Now, what is the first character in the string? P. What is the next character in the string? Y. What is the next character in the string? T. What is the next character in the string? Hash. What is the next character in the string? O. What is the next character in the string? N. Okay, now reading reading content of string, reading content of string using for loop. You can read directly with the help of which one? For loop. For loop. Or you can also read it with the help of slicing. For example, my string is programming str2 equal to str1 of, so I can use colon 3. Colon 3 means first three characters or not? Yes. If I'm saying str3 equal to str1 of, okay, -3 colon, will it this read the last three characters or not? Yes. Okay, str4 equal to str1 of colon -1. This will reverse the string or not? Yes. If I'm writing str5 equal to str1 of 3 colon -3. So this will read all except the first three characters and last three characters. For example, suppose assume that reading content of string using what here? Slicing. Reading content of the string using which one? Slicing. For example, I want to write a program to find input string is palindrome or not. So palindrome means you have to reverse it. So enter any string. So we'll have a national anthem now. I mean 10:40 at 10:40. Okay, down. Okay, 10:40. str1 equal to input, enter any string. Okay, str1 equal to input, enter any string. Okay, and after reading the string, what do you have to do? You have to verify. Is it the string is you have to reverse it, right? How you are reversing it? str2 equal to str1 of colon -1. str2 equal to str1 of colon -1. Will it this reverse the string or not? Yes. Then I'm saying if str1 double equal to str2, I'm saying format str1 is what? Palindrome. Okay, else I'm saying print format str1 is not which one? Palindrome. Okay, str1 is a palindrome, otherwise I'm saying str1 is not a palindrome. I just run this. Now enter any string. The string is NIT. NIT reverse is what? TIN. Is it NIT is equal to TIN? No. Is it NIT equal to TIN? No. NIT is not equal to TIN. NIT is not a palindrome. I run this. Okay, now I just enter something like ABA. If you reverse this ABA, the reverse of ABA is ABA or not? Yes.